Creating a website can be quite a time-consuming process. I know, I've been there. I've created so many websites in my business journey. So if you knew 5 really awesome tips that were going to make your website creation process a whole lot faster, wouldn't you want to know them? Hey, I'm Nicola Tweed and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I share the best WordPress and website tips to help you create an online business that you love. So let's dive into my screen where I'm going to be sharing 5 simple, easy Gutenberg and Kadence tips to make the whole website creation process a whole lot faster. Tip number 1. Now we all know we can add a block by coming here to the right hand side and clicking on this plus icon, or coming up to the top here to this toggle block inserter, clicking on it, then finding the block that we would like to add to our post or our page. Now this tip is quite simply, you can come here, put your cursor there, put a /, type in the block that you would like to add onto your page, and then click on the block, and then that will add it. So you simply type in / and the name of the block that will then pop up, and you can either click on it or click enter. Tip number 2 is a transform tip, and I really like this if I am copying some text from outside of my website and posting it on a page or a post. So I've copied some text, I'm going to come here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click paste. You'll notice then that that adds it as a paragraph, as the standard paragraph block in Gutenberg, but I don't like using the paragraph block in Gutenberg. I like to use the advanced text block from Kadence. So what I'm going to do is just come here, click on paragraph. I can then transform it to a whole host of different things. So I can do a quotes, advanced text, code, columns, etc. And what I'm going to do is advanced text. And then you can see that changes my block to the advanced text. It's already set as a paragraph and it's good to go. Tip number 3 is saving your blocks as default. So if I use the advanced text block from Kadence, so I'm going to come in here, I'm going to add the advanced text block from Kadence. I'm then going to paste in some copy, and as standard, the Kadence advanced text block comes as H2. I don't find that handy because most of the text on my website is paragraph text. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this all to paragraph text, and then I'm going to save this as a default. So I'm going to come to advanced here, and you'll see this on all of the Kadence free and pro blocks. So we'll come to advanced, and then we've got a block defaults tab here. We can click on that, and we're going to save that as a default and click OK. So then the next time we come to add an advanced text block and we paste in some copy, you can see then that shows up as paragraph text. That's how it's styled. And you can do this for all the pro and free blocks in Kadence. Tip number 4 is a general blocks editing tip. When the block editor came into play, they kind of hid your toolbar here, and I find it quite hard to navigate around my website or get to what I need to pretty quickly. So what you can do is come here to the top right, click on options, and click this full screen mode. That's then going to bring these settings back so you can navigate to your media, appearance, plugins, etc. pretty quickly when you are editing a page or a post on your website. Then lastly, tip number 5 is the copy and paste tip. So if you have, say for example, styled your button and you want to copy the styling of that button over to all the buttons on a page or a post, you can simply do that by coming here to the top, clicking on copy and then copy styles, and you can add another advanced button, put in a CTA, and then come here, click on this and click paste styles, and the styling of first advanced button will be copied over to this one. And you can do this on all of the Kadence free and pro blocks. And there you go. Those are my 5 secret tips to make the whole website creation process when using Gutenberg or Kadence. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out this video where I show you other quick tips to help you in your WordPress journey.